everyone. Welcome to Grade 10 Maths Literacy. My name is Sushen Naidu. Today we're doing interest calculations. Let's get started. So for our practice questions, Sarah wants to invest 20,000 Rand. Calculate the amount of the investment after 4 years if the interest rate offered is 4.5% per annum simple interest. Again, we take note of the word simple because there's two types of interest here, simple interest or compound interest, and they have slight differences in calculation. So for simple interest, we calculate interest once and add that amount on every year. Let's get stuck into it. So for year one, we've got to say 20,000 Rand. We've got to multiply that by 4.5%. And that gives me 900 Rand. And that 900 Rand, again, this represents our interest. Interest. There we go. All right, so that's the amount that needs to be added on every year. So for year one, we'll take the 20,000 Rand. Then we'll add on 900 Rand. And that gives me 20,900 Rand. Nice. Let's go to year 2 of 4. So for year 2, all right, we'll take the amount from the previous year, 20,900 Rand. Then we'll add on the interest of 900 Rand. Here we go. And this gives me 21,800 Rand. Nice. All right. Doing well. 2 more years to go. Excuse me. Year 3. Okay, year 3. All right. Previous year we earned, or it was 21,800 Rand in the account. Let me rewrite that one. It's again 21,800 bucks. That's in the account. We add on the interest of 900 Rand. Yes. And our calculators give us an answer of 22,700 Rand. And finally to year 4. That's 3 years, year 4. Okay. We get 22,700 Rand, last year's amount, plus 900 bucks. And that gives me the amount after 4 years, 23,600 Rand. Right. So again, she started off by investing 20,000 Rand. At the end of this all, she has in the account 23,600 Rand. Nice work. Let's carry on. Mbali borrows 6,000 Rand. Remember again, borrowing, investing, doesn't really matter. The calculation is exactly the same, whether it's simple interest or compound interest. Let's take a look at this. She's charged 22.1% compound interest now. So, here's the other side of the coin. Calculate the amount of the loan after 2 years. All right, let's see what we've got to do here. We'll start with year 1. Let's take note that for simple interest and compound interest, year 1's amount calculation, exactly the same. We'll start with the principal of 6,000 Rand. We'll multiply that by 22.1%. Okay, that gives us, excuse me, 1,326 Rand. I apologize for that one. That's Rand. And again, this represents interest. Here we go, interest, yes. Okay, then the amount at the end of year 1 is the 6,000 Rand plus the 1,326 Rand. And this gives me 7,326 Rand. Nice. Oh, I apologize for that one. I'm going the wrong way. There we go, we're back. So year 2, all right. Now, because it's compound interest, we've got to do the interest calculation every single year, unlike simple interest, where it's done just once. So what I need to do is look at the amount from the previous year, 7,326 Rand. Now I've got to multiply that by 22.1%, because that's our interest rate, and we get 1,619.046. It's always best to keep all the decimal places in play until the very last step. So, therefore, 7,326 Rand plus the 1,619.046. This gives me 8,945.05. There you go. There we rounded off. Let's just get that back so you guys can see it. There we've rounded off to 2 decimal places because it's money. Nice work. Simple interest, compound interest in the bag. Let's move along. According to an advertisement, excuse me, an inverter costs 8,965 Rand 32, excluding VAT. All right, here's VAT calculation. So if you remember VAT, there's 2 types. Either it includes VAT or it excludes VAT. It's got something to do with that 1,15. Let's see what we need to do here. Calculate the price including VAT. So if we have the price excluding VAT, which is 8,965 Rand and 32 cents. Again, that's the price excluding VAT. You've got to times it by 1,15 to get the price including VAT, 10,310 Rand, 12 cents. Nice work. And this is the price including, let's try that again. Yes, including VAT. Very, very nice. Let's carry on. All right, Kai bought a cell phone for 5,999 Rand. Calculate the price of the cell phone before VAT was added. So remember, this 5,999 Rand, that price already has VAT inside of it. That price has VAT. It includes VAT. So we take the price including VAT, 5,999, and we've got to divide by 1,15. That's what we need to remember. The price includes VAT. We divide by 1,15 to get the price excluding VAT, and vice versa. So, in this case, we get 5,216 Rand, 52 cents. And that price excludes VAT. There we go. Nice work. Thank you, everyone. Let's take a short break. When we get back, we'll push along.